Now that you're on your way with the tools for success, in this video, we're going to explore the importance of your mindset and having a healthy relationship with food, as well as navigating eating out. With mindset, it's incredibly important to listen to your body every single day. And as you practice meal prepping on a more regular basis, you'll learn the importance of having a good mindset in order to feel successful through this process. Having a good mindset simply means resetting your focus and trusting this process to help you achieve your goals. Be aware of the inevitable distractions that will come up along the way. If something unexpected comes up, give yourself permission to be flexible and to come back to your meal prepping lifestyle and system. Second to having a good mindset is establishing and maintaining a healthy relationship with food. There are many ways to go about establishing your right relationship with food, and I encourage you to find what works best for you. In my experience, here are some helpful tips to try. Pay attention to your body and eat slowly. This will allow you to be more in tune with your hunger and the point when you're full. Sit down while you eat. It really makes a big difference. Eat with no distractions whatsoever. No TV, no cell phones, or email. When you eat, chew slowly. This will help you appreciate the flavors more and will aid in digestion since you'll break down your food better. Try putting your fork down between bites. Take a sip of water with every couple of bites. And stop when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. It's also important to navigate eating out once you start meal prepping on a regular basis. Remember that even though you're committed to this meal prepping process, life should be enjoyed, and eating out is part of that enjoyment. Here are some tips to stay on track. Select the restaurant if possible. Scan the menu before leaving and have a general idea of what's available. Choose your meal before you get there. This will prevent you from being swayed by other decisions. And choose either an appetizer, dessert, or drink to have with your meal, not all three. Try to select a meal that will not only taste good, but will also leave you feeling good. Ask for dressings and sauces on the side, or go light on the sauces and dressings. And don't feel embarrassed to ask for special requests. Remember that your mindset matters with everything that you do in life, and it matters more than anything else because you have control over it. If you get discouraged along the way, come back to your commitment and any of these tips when you need a refresher to keep you on track.